Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to the show. My name is DDare Bionic, if you did not know, and I am back with another Boxy Charm unboxing video. It's upside down. All right, so as you guys know, Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription service. This video is not sponsored. This is the base box for August. I will be reviewing the Luxe box for September whenever it comes, but this is the August base box. And let's just see, I've actually already opened this, full disclosure, but I don't remember what was in it. So let's see what's inside. As always, we got a little Boxy Charm Go All Out is the theme of this one, and it tells you everything that's in the box, description of the products, and the prices. So let's start with the very first thing, which is the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. So here's what the packaging looks like. But the packaging is really cute. Let's see if I can actually open this. This eyeshadow palette is a 12-pan palette. It retails for $45, which I believe is the same price as that 24-pan palette that we got from Ciate Beauty. Looks like this. And the color story just ain't it. This brown seems like it might be kind of nice. Maybe this green and maybe this like shifty gold color. I just want to see like, maybe it's giving ash. It's giving, I'm not gonna put this on my face. It's giving, I'm gonna give this away, probably. $45? That's disappointing. So whatever, that's,
I'm not gagging.
Moving on, we have this serum from, who is this? Claire's New York. It is a stimulating retinol serum for $24.99. It looks like this. It's thick. I didn't expect it to be that thick. I mean, it's thick. Like, oh. It smells orangey, like it's got vitamin C in it. This activating blend is formulated with retinol, adaptogens, I've never even heard of adaptogens before, and arginine, sure, let's go with that, to help improve the overall skin texture, protect skin from free radicals, and moisturize the skin. Used daily for brighter and younger looking skin. I'm gonna use this. Not that I feel like my skin is dull, because I take really good care of my skin, but that sounds pretty cool. 96% natural. We love to see it. So I like this. I was really hoping that I got these booty drops, okay? Frank Body Booty Drops. Firming oil. Each drop is packed with caffeine. $17.99. Drop it like you're hot, it says. Squeeze 3 to 4 drops into your moisturizer or use directly on dry skin. Rub all over your body. Oh, use daily. She's thinner. It smells like a cup of coffee. That's weird. That's a weird thing for a skin thing to smell like, but I was hoping to get them, so I got them. Gonna firm up this booty, I'm calling. Next is this Lava Flirty Lash Set. I am neither here nor there on this. Maybe I'll try to wear these lashes at some point. They are very pretty. This retails for $54, and that's all I got to say about that. Last but not least is this Happy Hydration from Mana Kadar Beauty. It's a hydration happy face mist. It's $19. It's got a weird perfumey scent. Not weird in a bad way, weird in actually a really good way. Perfumey scent that I kind of like, and I will most likely be using this a lot more. So, all in all, I'm not... This box is okay. Like, 25 bucks for 5 full-size products. I'm not mad by any means. But this eyeshadow palette is disappointing. The color story does not excite me in the least. I was gonna do what I did last video and create a look with the, the eye products, if there were any eye products in the box. And this just doesn't excite me. Like, none of these colors make me want to do something. But you know what? You know what I do have? Shein, whoever she is, however you say it, released the Wild Heart collection a little while back, and I purchased it because I'm a whore for eyeshadow palettes and color stories, and I've been really wanting to use one of these. So let's give a look with one of these. What do you think? Do we want to? I'm going out to dinner with my friends today. I think I'm gonna go leopard. I think that's who I'm gonna go for first. Is Viva La Leopard. Let's see what she's about. All right, you open her up, she looks like this. And you open her all the way and she looks like this. See, this is much more exciting to me. Just this, hear me roar. Like, look at that. That's already gorge. Okay, I can work with this. I can work with this. Let's make a look with this palette. On a very small, kind of like smudging brush, I'm gonna take Pause of Attraction, which is this shade right here. Actually, no. I'm probably gonna wear green tonight. So I'm gonna actually take Catnip, which is kind of like a muted olive tone. And we're gonna take that in the crease region. Outer V to inner crease, and we're really gonna pack that. I didn't put down a base. I'm going in with Fenty Invisipink because it's the closest one to me right now, and I gotta hurry up and get this down before and blend it out before it decides it doesn't want to move, because it's good for that. Okay, just gonna blend this down. I like it because it's invisible. That I do love. But this, she don't move sometimes. As I was saying, going in with that shade Catnip on a smudging brush, we're gonna tuck that in our crease. It's got nice color payoff. I was a little worried for, 5 palettes for $35. And we're gonna keep building that color all up in the crease region as deep as we can get it. Okay. Now that we've kind of got our shape laid down, I'm gonna take a dense yet fluffy blending brush and take this olive green fine feline and work it around the edges. Blending that color out. See, it's not, this is why I don't like, I think I need a smaller brush actually. I'm just taking a smaller brush to see if I can get a little bit more color payoff. There we go. Diffuse that edge. I'm gonna have to start over again because it's really not doing what it's supposed to do. And I'm gonna have to grab my other, this is a nightmare. I really, really do love the Fenty Invisipink, but it just does not move. It doesn't move like at all. And that's what you want. Like, you want your shadows to stay in place, but not that in place, girl. Give me some room to breathe. Third time's the charm, y'all. Gonna take some e.l.f. camo concealer. I'm only gonna prime one eye because I'm only gonna do one eye at a time. Taking a concealer blending brush and blending that out. Let's try this again. It's a really like kind of pretty like poopy green. I hate to say poopy, but it's like a poopy green. Okay, now we're gonna take this blending brush with Fine Feline, which is an olive green, and blend up on top of it. Now, Fine Feline doesn't have as much payoff as the first color does. That's kind of starting to do what I wanted to do. But I really want to diffuse this. And I think what I'm going to do is take this yellow on the same brush. It's called Show Your Teeth. And just work it in. There's a lot of fallout in the pan, y'all. I just want you to know. Do we see it? Do we see it? Do we see it? Okay, now that that's in place, I'm gonna take a thicker, denser blending brush, and there's this really pretty, like, it's called Spotted. It's a really dark, like, red-brown. I'm gonna take that, outer V, and bring it up into the crease a little bit. I don't know why y'all listen to me. I don't be knowing what the fuck I'm doing. This color story is interesting. The shadows aren't as pigmented as I want them to be. I guess I wanted them to be more fun, but it is like a jungle-based palette, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna do a cut crease because why the hell not? They're not really blending the way I want them to. They're not melding into each other. And this brown was not really the choice. Let's cut the crease because we're already failing. Listen, we're driving the struggle bus today and we maybe should have gone with a different palette but that had a more interesting color story, but instead we said, let's do a brown because brown's something we never do, right? Child, am I about to start over again? No, I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with this idea. So how's your guys' day going? Because mine, obviously, is a struggle. I got my nails done today, though, so that's cool. I should have just did a liner look. I should have just done a liner the hell look. But we're here now. And we're gonna use this shade Fairy Tales, which is like a chunky, glittery color on top of this base. Is it even working? It's like not nearly as shimmery on as it is in the pan. Like the shimmer immediately goes away. This is not it. I'm over it. This is not. I cannot. I have to stop. I have to cease and desist and take whatever this horrible, horrible look is off of my face right now. Okay, well, that was a flop. Flippity flop, hippity hop, hippity pop. Flop, flop, flop. As far as the Boxy Charm box goes, I was happy with most of the contents, but this month's box was just boring to me. That palette did not excite me, and that is the tea on that. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm gonna give these Shein palettes another try. I feel like I'm just not feeling it today. I'm not in my mojo, I'm not in my groove, so I'm gonna give it another try, another time, and I will do it on camera. I will give it another try, I swear. Thank you guys so much for watching this struggle bus of a video. And if you would like to listen to my music or follow me on any of my social media, all of it is linked down below, as well as where you can find my merch and my Lunatized hair color code, where you can get a little bit of money off of hair color whenever you purchase. That all helps the channel out so much, so greatly, and I thank you and greatly appreciate you for using my code. People have been using it. Thank you guys so much. With that being said, I'm gonna do my makeup for tonight off camera because it's not working on camera tonight. So I'm gonna go actually get ready for tonight, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.